Have you ever wondered how millionaires achieve success? Whatever their industry, it's almost as if they have some kind of classified formula for success that enables them to become wealthy and live the life of their dreams. The truth is, millionaires have habits that a lot of people don't, and they act out those habits every day. In this video, Money Utero will reveal the secret habits of millionaires and provide 10 tips that you can utilize for ultimate success. What are the daily habits of a millionaire? The habits of a millionaire may vary from person to person, but there are some elements that all millionaires have in common. The first and foremost is that they are always willing to take risks and make calculated decisions. For example, the adrenaline rush of a new venture, partnership, or product is incredibly appealing because new challenges are exciting and will often attract buzz and investors. Millionaires also have strong networks, create multiple streams of income, invest time and effort into themselves, and utilize automation to increase their efficiency. Furthermore, they are always monitoring trends, staying focused on their goals, and build strong brands that they can leverage to further their success. Tip 1. Develop a positive mindset. The first habit of a millionaire is to develop a positive mindset. It's essential to have a positive outlook on life and to believe in yourself if you want to be successful, and that includes surrounding yourself with motivated people. A healthy mindset gives you the strength to keep going during challenging times and to make wise decisions when it comes to your finances. It's easy to become overwhelmed with negative thoughts, so it's important to take the time to focus on the positive and recognize that you are capable of achieving great things. Tip 2. Find your passion. The second habit of a millionaire is to find a passion. It's easy to become successful when you're passionate about your chosen field. When you have a genuine interest in something, it's easier to put in the hard work and dedication that's needed to succeed. If you don't know what your passions are, take some time to explore different interests and find something that really excites you. Once you find your passion, spending time to cultivate it won't feel like work at all, and you'll be on your way to achieving success. Tip 3. Take calculated risks. The third habit of a millionaire is to take calculated risks. Accomplished millionaires understand that risks are an important part of achieving greatness. However, it's important to take risks that are calculated and based on facts, data, and research. Don't be afraid to take risks, but make sure that you understand them and how they could affect your finances before making any decisions. Only take risks with finances that you can afford to lose. Tip 4. Invest in yourself. The fourth habit of a millionaire is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can mean different things to different people, but it should always be about elevating yourself into a better person. This could mean investing in your education, a new skill or talent, or devoting time to your personal growth. Whatever it is, improving yourself will take time, and you may need to sacrifice debilitating habits like hard partying, junk food, or procrastination. Make sure to invest in yourself so you can reach your full potential. Tip 5. Create multiple streams of income. The fifth habit of a millionaire is to create multiple streams of income. In the last video titled The Best Streams of Income to Becoming a Millionaire, Money Utero outlined the different income streams that help people get to millionaire status. Successful people understand that relying on one source of income can be risky and limiting. Therefore, they create multiple streams of income that can help them reach their financial goals. This could be starting a side hustle, investing in stocks and bonds, or starting a business. Tip 6. Develop a strong network. The sixth habit of a millionaire is to develop a strong network. Having a strong network of influential people can help you reach your goals faster. It's important to build relationships and cultivate meaningful connections with people, so you can leverage their connections and expertise. This might mean putting together a presentation showcasing your business venture, and then reaching out to individuals whose success has inspired you and politely asking them for advice. Tip 7. Utilize automation. The 7th habit of a millionaire is to utilize automation. Automation can help you save time and money and increase your efficiency. There are many different ways to automate tasks, such as using software or hiring a virtual assistant that will help you plan out your day or week. Automation can also help free up your time to focus on different things and grow your business. Tip 8. Build a brand. The 8th habit of a millionaire is to build a brand. Building a strong brand that limits its impact on the environment and is free from animal cruelty can help you stand out from the competition and create a loyal customer base. It's important to create a unique brand identity and to stay consistent with your messaging. You can also use social media and content marketing to build your brand and reach more people. Tip 9. Monitor trends. The 9th habit of a millionaire is to monitor trends, products and services. It's important to stay on top of any industry movement so you can capitalize on opportunities and make informed decisions. Take the time to stay up to date with the latest industry news and to analyze the data so you can make the best decisions for your venture. Monitoring industry trends also offers an opportunity to partnership with other people or companies that align with your values and the values of your brand. Tip 10. Stay focused. The 10th habit of a millionaire is to stay focused. Prosperous people understand that it takes hard work, dedication and focus to achieve success. It's easy to become overwhelmed and distracted, so it's important to stay focused on your goals and take action every day. Implementing the millionaire mindset for ultimate success. The habits of millionaires that have been revealed in this video are key elements in achieving any business venture. If you can implement these practices into your life, you'll be well on your way to becoming a success in your chosen field. It's important to stay positive, surround yourself with positive, uplifting people, and to cultivate your passion. Remember to take risks, invest in yourself, create multiple streams of income, develop a strong network, utilize automation, build a brand, monitor trends, and stay focused. By following these tips, you can unlock the secrets to success and live the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.